You have some falling ducks, some glowing, some spinning, some flipping, etc. If you change the duck to a chicken, it will change them all to chickens. Ah, that's a good example. Let's try exactly that. You have some falling ducks, some glowing, some spinning, some flipping. And if you change the duck to a chicken, it will change them all to chickens. All right. Let's see if we can pull that off easily enough. Duck. And then chicken. Falling ducks, some glowing, some spinning, some flipping. See, when I hear that, I'm tempted to build a particle generator, but that is definitely not what we want right now. But we want to be able to have multiple copies and they all change at once. Now, I still think pulling threads is one of the better ways, but I'm assuming the question is about changing timing as well. Because here now, there are two drawing substitutions between duck and bird. Duck and chicken. So I'm going to make it only duck for ages. And we'll animate him sort of coming in to the room. Pace cycle. Oh, geez. That's intense. Pace cycle 10. All right. And this one starts here. Moves in here. That is 70, 30. Say we have this animation of, you know, these two pegs are sort of acting like two cymbals would, where we've got boppin' peg, where it does its little up-downy step, and then the tween peg, where it slides left and right. And if I was to take out two chords, we're sort of stuck because, you know, they occupy the same space and they most certainly occupy the same timing. So what if we want to take all of this and then have it timed differently? Have like more than one? Because like if I duplicate it, then like, yeah, I can shift the timing around, no problem, and change the artwork and whatever. But if I update the artwork of one of them, they're completely independent. On the opposite side, you've got cloning, which happens when you copy and paste it. But they end up being intrinsically linked in every way. If I change the artwork of this one, it changes both of them. If I change the tween of this one, it will change both of them. So is there something sort of in between, or can you choose what is linked and what is not? And the answer is yes, of course. When you clone something, there's two different things that it is syncing up, which is its drawing exposures and its function curves, which is the tween. So when probably the easiest way, the one-size-fits-all solution for all of it, is when you copy and then paste special, which is Control B. And that brings up this dialog box, and you can sort of choose which things will stay intrinsically linked to the original and which things will be separated. So have a bit of a look around there. I could probably have just summarized this entire example in just that. Sorry. But the way that I often like to do it, which I find a bit quicker, is when you right click on stuff, you have a few options. There is clone selected layers, drawings only. Clone selected layers, drawing and timing. And then you've also got synced layers, which it takes the timing of the drawing exposures, but it makes the drawing substitutions themselves separate. I think I'll have to show that one. Cloning drawings only. So this copy, I should be able to move around freely. And I should be able to also switch the drawing. But, so like I can change their timing, but if I update this guy, see, this is why I edit my videos. This is so convoluted. If I edit that, it will edit the actual drawing data of both. I hope that made sense. The third way, the syncing drawings, is when I take one of these and I say something like add synced drawing layer. So that's a brand new layer. Oh my goodness, why are you all far out? This is a brand new layer. It's got no information in it. It's got no tweens or anything like that. But you'll notice it has two slots, because this one has two slots and they are named the same. If I had named this chicken and duck, these two would be named chicken and duck. And I believe their timing, yeah, see how if I highlight that, both of these stay highlighted at once. So if I change this to 1, this one has also changed to 1. So this way you get the same timing, but you get different drawings. And that's really useful for things like having a jaw match up with the mouths that you draw and things like that. Yeah, I found that really useful for things that need to be like layered all over the place, but you always want them to have their timing the same. It's a whole thing. Thanks for watching. Consider following my Twitter for upcoming stream times and topics. Hey, maybe your question or suggestion or whatever will become a video topic of its own, like this one. Previous unedited full streams, as well as any relevant working files if there happens to be any, are available to my lovely patrons. Links for all that stuff and that are in the description. Yay! Okay, bye.